They call me sassy.
Hey you, welcome back to my channel. So long time no natural hairstyling tutorial. Anyway, so if you have kinky extensions anywhere in your room, you'll be able to do this hairstyle. Hopefully you do, so you can try this, because man, people were looking. This is the kind of hairstyle that will grab people's attention to you. Anyway, I'm just going to go ahead to start with the middle part, and then just like put out like two teeny tiny bits in front and just twist that out to stay in one place. So you guys, apart from the front part being neat, other parts don't really have to be neat, but because at the end of the day I'll still mix them up and kind of scatter them. Anyway, I'll go ahead with one section again, braid that aside, go ahead with the back section as well, braid that one aside, and then to tie my hair in place, I'll be using this black elastic rubber band, this very small black elastic rubber band. This is actually it's actually very durable. I bought this one when I was in Nigeria and it didn't snap, to my surprise. Anyway, so this is me just trying not to feel the pain. Anyway, I didn't double it too much, I just doubled it twice because I didn't want it to be too tight. So I'll just go ahead with the middle section as well, just tie that twice as well, because I don't want it to be too tight, but I also want it to be, you know, okay to be able to work with. Anyway, once I'm done with the front section and everything is okay, so I'm going to be using kinky extensions, like I said in the beginning of the video. Any kinky extension you have can do, to be honest. I just don't like having only black on my hair. I just really like it when everything is colored, and these are the kinky extensions I use Darling and Expression. So that's just tell you that anything will be okay for your hair. So I'll just go ahead to put a rubber band at the tip of the kinky extensions and just use that to tie my hair just once, because I don't want too much rubber band going on my hair. Anyway, I'm just going to bubble it a bit, and in this process I hid my actual hair in between the kinky extensions. So I'll just bubble that, and I think I'll tie this one twice because it was at the center. Anyway, after that I'll just go ahead to fold it, because I want everything to, you know, be hidden as much as possible, and then tie that as well. So going up, I'll go ahead to fold the extensions over my hair, so it will cover my main hair as well, and then just tie that as well. So you can see I have like leftover remaining. We'll sort it out. Anyway, so I'll go ahead with the front, do the same thing, tie the tip of the extensions, use it to tie my hair, and just go ahead to bubble my hair and hide it. And I'll bubble the tip, like bubble where it ends as well, and I'll just connect the remaining extensions to the second one. So this is where it gets tricky. I'm sorry that I wasn't showing you like the full coverage. That's because I didn't look at what it was actually videoing. Anyway, so for this one I'll just go ahead with the tip and just cover it in the second one. Like, look at how it's looking straight at first, so I'll just cover it over the second one, and then that will now form like a third one instead of a second one. And after which, you can see it's not stable, it's not as fit as the remaining one. I'll use like a bobby pin to hold everything in place and join them together. So now the front, I think the front will be easy to follow because the front is fully videoed, so it will be easy to follow. Anyway, same thing, go ahead with the tip, like put rubber band at the tip of the extensions, use it to tie the front part of your hair. Why am I stammering? Use it to tie the front part of your hair, and then I'll just go ahead to hide my hair in between the extensions and bubble that as I go. So to bubble, I'll pull the normal extensions against my actual hair so that it can form like this teeny tiny bubble, and then I'll just go ahead to like use the rubber band to tie it in place. And yeah, I'm going to do that for the second part as well. So for the second part, the only difference is that I'm just going to be showing you guys how I achieved the ends, like how I did the ends to look like that instead of looking very blunt. So for the end, once I get to the last bubble, I'll just go ahead to like flip it over, like flip the ends over and just tie that part together so that it will stay. So after all this shenanigans, I'm just going to go ahead with some, do you know, I don't know what they call all those things, like all those iron things that they use to decorate the hair. I don't know what they call these. Anyway, I'll just use it like the way I want and just put some, you know, put some spark in the hair, because why not? So yeah, let me just do my makeup and come back looking like a sugar baby. Anyway, this is the hair. Hope you guys like it. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Oh yeah, before I forget, I went ahead to actually do like a top bun with this hair as well, so you'll see how the top bun is looking and how the punk is looking. Let me know in the comments which you prefer, the top bun or the punk. The punk is kind of unique, but I think the top bun actually gave like a sassy kind of look. So the top bun tutorial is going to be on my hair page Instagram. I'll be sure to leave the link in the description box. Okay, bye, see you guys in my next video. Okay.
Don't call me mean, I just want someone to love me.